When I met Aline from Opportunity Sheffield in a Business Sheffield event and encouraged me to contact her. I sent my CV to her and she made some adjustments. After that, we had our first meeting to start building my job-seeking program. The employer were looking for candidates with a very specialized experience into specific areas. I was told that I was overqualified for some roles and they rejected to me just because of that and because of migration status as well.
Erika was very enthusiastic. She'd got a brilliant attitude towards work and her skill set matched the position that we were looking for. You could just tell she would be a really good fit for any team. She's been here 4 months now and she's already started to actually pick projects work up.
Erika struggled with what a lot of people struggle with when they're out of work. You just need someone there to essentially help, maybe give you that little bit of a boost. If you look at her CV, it showcases so many incredible qualities and skills. She boasts working with some incredible businesses in the past. Because she had so much experience, it can probably look a bit intimidating to companies.
I was able to get a job with their support. They built a specific project for me to land an offer for me. As a migrant, honestly, the project was more complex. Aline has been incredibly helpful for me and for my job seeking. She gave me all the tools I needed to get a job position. She shared to me as well links, resources, websites, events, a lot of things just to support my personal and professional development as well, and I'm very, very grateful for it.